Long time no see in the charts. Now we are back here at the Bitcoin chart, and here we are at the 4-hourly chart. And we have seen in the last couple of days that Bitcoin have reached this price level, about 22,500 US dollar level, and crashes then also down. We can look how many percent we are going to the downside, about 12% to the downside, and now fighting with this support level here at the downside, which first of all a good sign that we are above this line, but we have a little bit caution that we are not breaking down to this level and maybe also lower. So definitely check all this video up to the end, because we want to show here one special thing for the immediate short term. If we broke to the upside, or we will broke to the downside. So the first thing, what we are here looking at, that we have here this resistance line. This resistance line here, which gave us the way back down to the downside at the Bitcoin price at the last days. And now the question is, will we see the next move here to the upside, or will we see another retest of our bottom, which was also here at 17,700 US dollars, or will we broke this bottom? One thing I have shown you in the last videos is that we are forming here this double bottom and now this triple bottom, which is also good because we are forming here a higher low. If we broke this higher low, then it looks a little bit bearish. But for now, it's first of all looking good, because I have said you in the last videos that we also maybe can see a move back to the upside by retesting this. Here we see, when we zoom a little bit in, that we are not getting the retest here, but at the resistance line over there. So first, it could be the next sign that we can move here the next higher level. For my next trade, I will looking are that we are going back to this area right here, because here we see here that we have really big resistance line over there. So if we break this range and getting sideways, we can go in the next long position, and the next long position price target would be all the way up again the second level. And if we also getting through this level, it would be also possible that this next level from 24,000 US dollar, 26,000 US dollar would be playing out. But there is a little bit of caution, because we have here a little look at the 4-hourly chart that we are forming right now a bear flag, and the bear flag would be bring us to a not really nice price target. So when we are looking around the bear flag to the price target, it would bring us down to, yes, to 30. Four. Would be bring us down to 14,000 US dollars, and that is a very bearish price target, because that would be all the way down 28% to the downside. If we broke this, there will be a really good chance to buy more Bitcoin, because that is the lowest price I think in the next years we can ever see. But I don't think that we break it. I will think that we are reaching here the level and continue to the upside. If I would only trade this to the short term, if we close a 4-hourly candle outside of our support level. So definitely look around this one. And guys, if you also want to trade this to the downsides or to the upsides, you can go under this video. There in the video description, there you found a link directly to BITGET. There at BITGET you get a bonus from 4,163 US dollars at your trading account, which is absolutely crazy bonus. So definitely check also this right now. So click this link, create an account, deposit some trading money and get your bonus. When we are looking here back at the Bitcoin chart, let us also look at the daily chart. And here we see at the daily chart, yes, the same scenario. So that we are here have a little more spikes here in this area. So if we would break it, we're also seeing here at the daily candle right now today, it's a really spike here and not closing outside. It's looking also very good for the next 9 hours. So let us also wait from this day what the daily candle is showing us. And one of the reasons why Bitcoin has so dumped to the downside is that thing that the US dollar is going so strong, and that it's a very historical event because it was never before. So when we're looking at the US dollar euro chart, we see that the US dollar is pumping so much to the upside and reached this level from $1 is 1 US dollar, which never happened in the last years before. So when we're zooming a little bit out, we can go for the monthly chart. We see here that in the monthly chart, the US dollar is getting crazy to the upside. And when we zoom a little bit out, which was the last time it was, so it was on January 22. Yes, a 20. It was on, yes, it was in the middle of 2002 and around 2000 it would be absolutely crazy. So we see here it's insane that dollar is pumping here up. And we can also have a look what the price target is. When we're looking here at the monthly chart, we're seeing here this W pattern, this here is now broken to the upside. And when I have here the neckline, we're looking at the price target. The price target, it all the way up to 112. Yes, to 112. So it's a little bit also a possibility to trade the forex. So if any one of you guys are trading forex, here you have the price target of the W pattern of the US dollar euro chart. So take also this trade. It would be also the next stop for this price level. And also we see here that this price level here, it's also the same with the resistance line over there. So we can also see that the US dollar is further rising up, which is also something of the inflation rate of the US dollars. So if every time if the US dollar is rising up, the Bitcoin price is falling down, but it definitely comes all the way down and getting, especially at the retesting over there, we can see here a little bit move back to the downside. And then also Bitcoin can also start the next rally. For here, it's also all guys who have fiat money. You see that the fiat money is getting lower rates. It affects also on other currencies. So when we are looking also here at the Japanese or some other coins, we can also look. We're looking here at the Japanese yen. We're also seeing here that it's also rising and the yen is also getting weaker. So that is also a very, very critical scenario for the whole world outside. And guys, if you also want to trade in crypto, or the next video is coming also tomorrow, so don't forget to like this video, to leave a comment, and also to subscribe to the channel that you never miss out one of the next video, especially when it comes tomorrow. And then we see. Bye bye.